think hopefully I will be able to do a good job and learn on the way.
Here is a शेर, गिरते हैं शह सवारी मैदान जंग में, वो फिर क्या करेंगे जो घुटनों के बल चलते हैं. आप तो समझते हैं इसका. So since you had already made a blunder, so now I am sure you must have learned whatever there is to be learned from that mistake, and will do great.
Thanks, Nitin. So coming to your stammering, how do you think it has affected or shaped your life?
If I would not have stammered, then definitely I would have moved to sales or marketing. I enjoy talking to people. I enjoy talking to people. I enjoy meeting new people. But to phrase my answer once again, I would say it would have still been the same. Since for past some time I am making a conscious effort that I would not let stammering affect what I want to do. So I can say it would have been same.
Okay.
Although this contradicts my previous answer, but that previous answer was applicable 1 year ago. Right now, what is applicable is that it hasn't affected in any way.
And it would be really great if you can just take us through your recovery process, the challenges one face, and how did you handle them?
Okay, first thing first, I would not say that I am a recovered stammerer. I wouldn't even say that I am a recovering stammerer. I stammer as much as I used to do 1 year ago. But the biggest change I had brought in myself is that I have accepted my stammering. Previously, my response to stammering was to hide it. I used not to talk to strangers, people I am not very comfortable with. I used to try to avoid interaction with people and like that. But now, but then I had Sachin, and I formed the Delhi SSG. There I met some other people and read a lot about stammering. But then I realized that to solve any problem, accepting that it exists is the first step. And then I realized that I have never really accepted my stammering. I had always wished that one fine day I'll wake up and woo, it would be gone. But it was not going to happen. So I accepted it. I accepted that I am a stammerer. I speak like this and always will. And I'll have to live my life with it. And now it's up to me whether I want to live my life dreading meeting new people, dreading interaction with people, or enjoying it. I decided the latter. So I brought a change in myself and started seeking meetings with new people, speaking to them actively. And I would have to say that in last 1 year I had changed a lot, and now I am at peace with myself and my stammering. Long answer.
Not too long. Any unexpected situations or any unexpected things which came across your way during this last 1 year?
Sorry, please.
Yes, like something which you thought like, okay, if I do it like this, then it will be fine, but something else happened.
It happened just the opposite. Actually, I used to think that people give lots of importance on how I speak, but it's just the other way around. For people, the more important thing is what I speak, and they do not really give a damn on how I am speaking it. If what I am speaking is making sense to them, then whether I speak is in Amitabh Bachchan's baritone or Sachin Tendulkar's squeaky voice doesn't make a difference to them. So the content is much more important than presentation. And once I realized this, it was a big confidence booster for me.
I am a part of a lot of communities on Orkut,
Yeah.
on stammering, and I see people have a lot of resistance from within towards accepting their stammering.
Mm-hmm.
Why is it so? Why do you think accepting our stammering is so difficult?
Not only stammering, I think accepting any shortcoming in us is very difficult. It is human nature to look over our own faults and wishing them away, but unfortunately they can't be wished away. So I would suggest all those people that join a self-help group, if not if a self-help group is not active in your city, then you can join an internet-based SHG and talk to other people and their experiences about accepting their stammering. That would really help you understand what acceptance means and how it can help you. Once you do that, I'm sure you will be able to appreciate this acceptance funda in much more clarity and will be able to relate to it.
Now, as you work as a project manager in an IT firm,
Yeah.
how do you cope up with all the talking required throughout the day?
I just don't give a damn how I'm speaking it. I just speak. I just say what I want to say, and I do not avoid any speaking situations. I do not avoid speaking to anybody. I do not avoid any words. I just say what I want to say. If I stammer, fine, but I will speak what I want to. This is it.
Okay.